Your sight machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated. Welcome aboard. On the map behind you, please show us where you're from on this interesting time travel course.
Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of tomorrow. Here, in this hostile world, is where our story begins. We are alone, struggling to survive, until we learn to communicate with one another. Now we can hunt as a team and survive together. It takes 15,000 years to come up with the next provider. According our knowledge on cave walls. When we moved, the recorded knowledge stayed behind. Now let's move ahead to ancient Egypt, because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding wings flag is inventing a papyrus. A sort of paper. Papyrus in turn creates better records, plans, designs, and unfortunately chaos. But it also brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trained them, they created a simple language, and that's the English language. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? But the Phoenicians, they invented. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of literature. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching children something called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. Lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created power centers. To meet their armies, they built a system of roads. Rome built the first worldwide highway, and everything else comes from it.
It's over. Even now instead spettatore.
Guarda i tipi come.
Mantelli, ver hoc mandatum adecium rufino, qui contribus legionibus praesidium longivi impera.
Io stato di via Aurelia a Nuno. Tu di via Amelia a Diego.
It's over. Even now instead spettatore.
And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed. There are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. As backup system, the books are saved, and with them our dreams of future. In the meantime, here in London, most toil endlessly for books by hand. Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they will. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance. Spaceship Earth.
Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, traveler. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating backward.
history, all of us can have a say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom-made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. In the future, the country will be a great place to work. Your high-tech home office will be a media-rich environment, outfitted with global networking and the latest digital tools to turn your dreams into reality. Need to be somewhere? No problem. Just pack up and go. You'll be able to keep working because your car drives itself. Since you do your best thinking alone, you can bring your virtual tools with you and work while you commute, thanks to a personal digital assistant that carries all your files. Who knew that board meetings could be such a blast? Great job, but you want to live, so technology will help you live better, like wireless technology that brings you news while you're at the beach. This just in, looks like it's going to be a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we and you together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place. Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from